asunto-osakeyhtiö Pitkänkalliontie.
And we have Pitkänkalliontie, 13. Here in Haukilahti, Jätvik, in Espoo, Espoo's region, Uusimaa, Finland. It was built by Kone with MV6 fixtures. These 3 versions of 2.4 grams. With the red occupied light.
Yeah.
And this was built in 1965. It turned 55 years old in 2020. And we were thinking it's be 65 or late 64.
Yeah.
It's probably the beginning of 1965. And the December registration 12905. And it will be inspected this year. No, in 2025. It has already been inspected this year.
Yeah.
That's the right. And it's really tiny, like almost for 2 persons.
Yeah. Inspected by lift installed and maintained by Espoo Hissi.
Oh, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's